Hi there traders and investors, today's Friday, March 17. I'm glad to greet you online and share a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. What's going on in the economic calendar? Yesterday, the economic data important for the US dollar was in the green. As for the euro, the ECB raised their refinancing rate by 50 basis points as expected. The market did not find anything sensational at the press conference, so the euro traded with minor volatility yesterday. Nevertheless, my trading audio worked out well. I hope you took profit for some of your positions and left some positions for the medium term. Now let's discuss the ideas for the euro-dollar pair and other instruments on charts. Here's the MetaTrader's chart for gold. I predicted its growth 2 weeks ago after gunfall on the weekly time frame. I adore this time frame. I don't expect anything new for gold. My outlook is obviously bullish. I see the highest level of this year ahead. I reckon the target will be hit in the near future. The price has to climb another 3,000 points. Then the door will open to the level of $2,000 per troy ounce. If gold makes retracements now and then, grasp this opportunity in your speculative activity. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair followed my scenario accurately. I'm proud of myself. I'm very pleased about the swing low and a retracement that happened after the news. You could have closed some positions yesterday. You can do it today when the price is approaching the second resistance. You may close the rest of your positions at a break-even. The euro is rising from the ashes. It's facing a few resistance levels ahead. The first one was tested before yesterday's news. The second resistance was pierced with no sweat. The price has to climb to the third one. I foresee a wing high above and I plan to close some positions there. I don't rule out a higher high, but the instrument is likely to make a deep downward correction, so I gave you food for thought. The pound sterling is forming a three-wave pattern. Now it's making correctional moves. If often happens during European trade, the dollar bears are now pushing the price down. I hope the sterling will creep to the peak of this year. Now the instrument has bumped into a swing high. Still, the chart reveals strong buying pressure. Hence, I reckon the sterling will hit at least the high of the year. Currently, the currency pair has been rallying from the pin bar formed last week. The dollar-yen pair is declining slowly but surely. My trading idea is based on a downward move which is detected on the weekly and daily charts. I see a downward impulse, then a retracement, and a further slide. I'm plotting the first support and the second support levels. The price rebounded from the second support, then it dropped from a swing high. The main sell target for the dollar-yen pair is 126. That's all I wanted to tell you. See you online soon. Good luck.